That's working the video, and here is a step. So if you have noticed one thing about WhatsApp status, when you're trying to view a WhatsApp status, at some point they will tell you to download the WhatsApp status. Download. And this happens most especially when you don't have data on your phone. It will show you, or to just give you the prompt that download. Okay. And because of the download, I mean every time that you view a WhatsApp status, it gets into your phone. There is some kind of data left in your phone. And because of this little data left in your phone, that's why some third-party apps are able to get it, and then they will just give you the WhatsApp status, whether video or pictures, and then you can just download it through their app. Okay, and this one I'm going to show you, we are not going to use any app, but we are going to use the phone inbuilt WhatsApp status saver. The phone already comes with its own WhatsApp status saver, which means this is secure than third-party apps or apps that we download from Play Store or even some webs. Okay, so let's start, and note that this video, if you don't like, you will not understand how it goes. Okay, so one thing is that it doesn't work for all phones. Not all phones has this, but just give it a try. Check and see if your phone supports the WhatsApp status saver with the inbuilt feature. And this one supports both pictures and also videos. So let's start with it. Let's dive in. Let me show you everything that you need to know about it. Let's start with it. Let's go. Okay, so just open your phone settings. When you open your phone settings, just scroll down from here and then look for special functions right here and just tap on it. When you tap on it, just like the video if you haven't liked, and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Okay, so after coming to the special function, then go to smart panel and just tap on it. When you tap on it, just as I've already told you guys, that this may not work for everyone, okay, but for some people they will have this. Okay, so scroll down to the bottom and then just look for more features. Look for more features and just tap on it. When you tap on it, you will have this option right here. This is how the page looks like. Okay, but we have the WhatsApp status. This is the one that we will be looking for. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, then we have the recent status. Okay, that's the one that we are focusing on right now. When you tap on the recent status, it will show you the current, or for the whole 24 hours, the status that you've watched. Okay, so let me just give it a try for you. Just look at the last video. This is the last picture right here. Okay, and when you come to this side, you cannot watch it. Okay, you can only tap and select, and then you save it on your device. Okay, so let me just give it a try, and know that this one will work only for WhatsApp. Okay, for official WhatsApp. Okay, so if you use any WhatsApp, like, let me show you this one. If you use WhatsApp business, it will not work for you. Okay, so let me just give it a try with this one. This is WhatsApp business. Okay, so let me just select, let me just watch this status. Okay, so I'm watching this status. Okay, and this is a post made by me. Okay, so just make sure you like the video and subscribe. So look at how this one looks like. Okay, and now the status has been watched, but let's go to where we have our recent status. Okay, on the smart panel, and then you can see there's the same thing right here. But let's go to official WhatsApp. So you can see this is business WhatsApp. Let me close it. Let me go to WhatsApp. Okay, and now let me go to another WhatsApp status made by me. Okay, so you can see this one, and then you can see another one right here. So now let's go and check. So you can see this is the last video. Let's tap on it, and now you can see it has refreshed and it has given me the current WhatsApp status image that I watched, and then also this is the video you see. So this is how it works. It works on WhatsApp only, not GB WhatsApp, not any other WhatsApp, only WhatsApp. Okay, and then if in case you've watched this and you want to save, this is what you're going to do. Always, it will not save automatically for you, so you will come here and then you will say there, and then you will save it on your device. So we have this one, then you select. After selecting, look down here and you can see we have the share, we have the save. Then you tap on save. But before we tap on the save, let me show you something right here. Let's go back. When you go back, we have the saved status. Okay, so this is where you will see all your saved WhatsApp status. Okay, so just tap on it, and this is the only one that I've already saved. Okay, let's go back again, and then we have the media files. The media files will show you all the WhatsApp images that you've got from your WhatsApp pages, friend sending to you, and all those things. Okay, so these ones are just there to just let you know of the images and everything. So you can select between all images only, audio, videos, document, zips, apk, other ones. Okay, so this is a good feature which is inbuilt for our WhatsApp device. Okay, sorry, our phone. Okay, so let me know yours after checking to see whether it works or not. Okay, so this is how you can just save the WhatsApp status to your gallery. Just select and then you tap on save. Okay, and then you can see status saved, view. Okay, but let's go back and then we go to saved status. You tap on it and then you can see it is here. You can see it is here. So same thing, you can just mark one or two things right there. You just select, sorry, you just select and then you just save. You go back, you go to save status, and then you will see right there. But the question is, do you always have to come to this side to just get access to the video that you saved? Okay, now let's go to our gallery to check whether we have the images right there. Okay, so let's go to our gallery, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Okay, so these were videos that I recorded. Okay, these were video that I recorded. Now let's go to library, and now you can see we have manually save. When you tap on that one, you can see this is where we have it. So in your gallery or in your photos, okay, you will not see something like status saver or nothing like that. Okay, sorry, you will not see anything like that, but you will see, okay, you will see manually save, manually save. Okay, and then you can just see all those that you've already saved from your WhatsApp status. Okay, so this is how it will be. Let me show you the steps once again. You go to settings and then you look for special function, you tap on it, you scroll down and then you look for smart panel. Then you scroll down again, you look for more features, and then you go for WhatsApp status. From here, let's go back. You can go to recent status. So as you view a WhatsApp status, then you come here. Okay, so there's a new one that I'm watching. Now let me go back to recent status, and then it is here. I tap on it, I look down here, I tap on save. Then I can just go back a little right here, go to saved status right there. Then you go to gallery as I've already showed you. You go to gallery right there or your photos, and then you look for manually save. That's the file. That's where you will see everything right there. Okay, so this is how we do it. And then let me know your thoughts. Let me know your phone is compatible for this in the comment section. Stay alive and bye for now.